Well, we've got the van back on the hoist today, 3 days out, and we have taken the exhaust off. Found a couple of little wonky wonky problems that we can address and sort out for better ways. We've got a little leaky fuel out of the manifold, so we'll take that off, and the car's been blocking up a little bit, so we'll sort that out. And that looks right a little bit. So we'll take the manifold off, a bit of wetness around there, sort that out. The exhaust manifold was cracked. So we'll get that sorted. And the drive shaft ujay. Yeah, I don't know, I can't pull it at the same time, but see the little circlip in there? Well, on this side it's slipped out and this is pulled up. Moved out of it. It's got a little slot, so I've got to get that circlip. See it? Alright. So I'm going to push it down and push it in. Yeah! These car shops up here. Car shop here. They want to charge me $480 for 2 front tires and a got a wheel on it. Half my way to the tour.
Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with a cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration, feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make an impact, grab and then take it. Like a disease, to their knees, take the fantasy. The chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Step up, don't be scared.
Hey guys, bye.